So friends, the question for today is, can you make bacon in a solar powered oven, and how long does it take? Let's find out. It's pretty sunny. This is the GoSunGo packable solar oven, and I've used it to do crazy things like make stews and stuff like that. But bacon. So I have some bacon. I'm gonna put it in aluminum foil and stick it in here. And the reason I'm using the aluminum foil is to kind of keep this clean. And we'll see how it works. It's 10:07. This is like not even a morsel. This is more like bacon bits, but that'll be fine. That'll keep it from making a mess. Ta-da! And it is already hot. Ha! Ow! Okay, well that's working. Look at that. Okay, how can that not work? Angle it to the sun. Cha! Bacon. You can hear it sizzling. Oh yeah. Okay, there's a lot of grease there. We're gonna rethink that. I'm the smartest person here. Yeah, a little bit of grease. Let's clean that up later. Let's see. In less than an hour, let's see if we have edible bacon. Ow. The answer is almost. Need a little bit longer. So the question is, was it worth it? Because it took about an hour to produce this bacon. That's just a little tender morsel. The answer is yes. Of course it's worth it because it's bacon. If I had made more, it would be more worth it. It did leave a bit of a mess, but to throw it in there and just let it go for an hour and have bacon is actually kind of cool. So to sum up, overall, it was a success.